Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. So if you want to go and change the gender of your Bitmoji, here is how you can do it. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat account and then you need to go and delete your existing Bitmoji and then we can go and create another one with the other gender. So to do that, all you need to do is on any of these pages and then go and click on your existing Bitmoji like so, and it will open up your Snap profile. And when you are here, what you have to do is you just have to tap on this gear icon in the top right corner and will then open up your settings. What you need to then do is scroll down until you see the option for Bitmoji. Click on that, and then at the bottom we've then got the option for remove my Bitmoji or unlink my Bitmoji. So just tap on that and then press remove again. It will then take a moment and it's now have been deleted, as you can see. So what you can do now is just go and press on this create my avatar here. So now as you can see this option, you can go for new and you can link the existing one. So I'm going for this new, and now it will give you two options, as you can see, the female version, and what you can do is then go and choose the new gender you want to go and use. So in this case I was currently a boy before, I want to be a girl now, so I'll go and click on this girl option. And now what I can do is I can customize my Bitmoji and change the skin tone, the hair color, the hairstyle, the eyebrows, and literally everything. And then you can tap on this save in the top right and then click on this save again, and you can change your outfit as well and then tap on save again. And as you can see, I've now gone and changed the gender of my Bitmoji. It's super easy. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.